What's up everyone, this is Dr. Shinklestein aka Fuzz Toothpicks World, and today it has arrived, the September 2024 SnackVerse box. The country this month is, of course, Hungary. I'll just open up the pages ready. So the first thing we've got is these crisps. They're pretty obvious what flavour they are. They're cheese and onion flavour. Item number 2 are more crisps. They are crocodile shaped crisps, but they are pizza flavour. Item number 3 is more crisps, and they are salami flavour. Item number 4 is more crisps, and they are paprika flavour. Item number 5 are these waffle type crisps, and they are cheese flavour. Item number 6 is the elderflower drink. Item number 7 is this retro telly faggy or faggy, and it is this beloved Hungarian treat features a crunchy cone filled with luscious velvety chocolate cream that melts in your mouth. So it's like a cream wafer, ice cream wafer. Item number 8 are these smile pancakes. They're apricot cream filled pancakes. Item number 9 are paheli, which are raspberry flavoured flaky candy. Item number 10 is the vadas, which is vadas is a milk chocolate bar filled with a rich chocolate and cherry cream infused with a hint of alcohol, evoking the classic black forest flavour. Item number 11 is the Tilly, which is a Hungarian milk chocolate bar filled with smooth pear cream. Item number 12 is a Sport, which is a classic Hungarian chocolate bar first produced in the 19th. It's rum flavoured cocoa filled in a dark chocolate coating have made it a nostalgic flavour for generations. So it's a rum flavoured bar. Item number 13 is the Marcapanos, which is nutty flavour of marzipan and a sweet and tangy apricot filling, all wrapped in a layer of smooth chocolate. The item number 14 is the Choco Mini, which is a luxurious cocoa rum flavoured delicacy enrobed in a layer of crispy coconut flakes. Item number 15 is the Balaton. A Balaton is a beloved Hungarian chocolate treat consisting of a crunchy wafer slice with a melt-in-the-mouth texture filled with a rich cocoa flavoured cream and dipped in smooth cocoa coating. Item number 16 is the Pandy. Now the Pandy is a traditional Hungarian candy featuring colourful puffed rice with a sweet fruity aroma. So it's like our version of Rainbow Drops, but they're a bit thinner and a bit smaller, and they're fruit flavoured. Item number 17 is the Duna Cavix, which is Duna Cavix is a traditional Hungarian confectioner with a distinctive pebble-like shape made from roasted peanuts, powdered sugar and cocoa powder. It offers a crunchy texture and rich nutty flavour. Often enjoyed with coffee or tea, this classic treat is a beloved favourite in Hungary. Item number 18 is Mies Fit, and it says it's a cereal biscuit with forest fruits. Item number 19 are the Grash Strong. The Grash Strong is Moggy Crash. It combines roasted peanuts with a spicy chicken flavoured crunchy coating for a satisfying kick. Moggy is renowned for its high quality nutritious snacks, using only carefully selected premium nuts to ensure top tier taste and quality. The penultimate item is item number 20. It's the lollipop that looks like a rooster sort of chicken. And that is... there is this rooster lollipop, handcrafted based on an original recipe. It's one of Hungary's oldest retro sweets. Its distinctive rooster shape and sweet fruity flavour make it a beloved treat for all ages, cherished for its nostalgic charm and unique design. And finally, item number 21 is another lollipop. This is the Kojak White. Kojak White is a retro Hungarian classic featuring a vanilla flavoured hard candy lollipop encased in a smooth white chocolate coating. This ball-shaped treat is a national favourite and is gluten-free, making it a nostalgic indulgence enjoyed by many. So, all in all, it's a pretty good box again. I don't think it's as good as the August box, which was the Czech Republic. But every month you're not going to beat the previous month's box. So, as always, please leave a comment in the comment section. I will read them if you leave one, and I will always reply and respond to what you think of this month's box. Apart from that, we'll see you at the next video. Take care, guys.